Hey friends, let's create this Easter egg painting together in 3 steps. Here are your supplies and let's go. Grab your first color and load up your brush. Get that basic egg shape down, just an elongated oval. Fill it in, make sure it's nice and wet. Now once you have it all filled in, rinse off your brush completely and keep a lot of water on your brush, almost like it's going to drip off. And then you bring that and drop it just in one spot along the egg. Make sure that your yellow color is still wet when you drop this water on there to get that wet on wet blooming. Grabbing your second color, do the egg over here on the left. Same thing, exact same shape, but don't worry about getting it perfect. Fill it in completely and make sure that this color stays wet as well so that we can do some more wet on wet magic. I'm going to grab a lot of pigment, a lot of paint on my brush, load it up, and then drop it in a couple places on here. And you'll get that beautiful blooming action. Okay, moving on to our last egg, I am going to do blue. Go ahead and make that same shape again, squeeze it in there, and paint it as fast as you can so that we can keep it wet and moist for one more wet on wet. For my blue egg, I am going to get more blue pigment, so more blue paint on my brush, a lot more, and then just do the outsides of the egg, just like this. This kind of gives it a fun shadow effect. Your 3 eggs will need to dry completely before you can move on to step 2, which is designing the eggs however you want. I'm using a micron pen, but you can use a really thin marker or just a normal pen. Remember to give the design a little bit of a curve to show that the egg is round. And that's it. So easy. 2 steps to create these darling eggs. Add a cute message on here or not. Thanks for painting with me, guys. Bye.